So guys, good morning. Time check 7:40 a.m. So today we are going to tilt the rice field that this area. In this area. But my mother just said that we will first tilt this rice field here. So we are now going to up there on the rice field we're in. We just tilt last week for me to get the tool and bring it there. The carabao is already in there, up there. The carabao. Actually, I don't have the dogs accompanying me because they did not eat yet. The dogs didn't eat yet. They didn't have a breakfast yet. That's why they are not able to follow me, because they are just waiting for their breakfast. As I always said, I'll record a video at least 6 minutes per part of the video for us to be able to successfully upload them all and upload them fast, of course, because when I'm not using my data or when my data is consumed, I'm using the free Wi-Fi in our barangay hall, but free Wi-Fi in our barangay hall is being controlled by DICT, Department of Information Communication Technology. So I think they are in control of it, because even in YouTube or in Google, if you Google any sensitive or if you watch any sensitive videos, then the DICT has blocked those videos, as well as if you are connected for, I think the maximum is 5 minutes or 6 minutes. If you have connected for at least 6 minutes, then you need to sign up again to be able to connect to the Wi-Fi they are timing, they have a time. And then sometimes also it is automatically disconnected and connected again. I don't know. I think that's their way of uh, preventing us users of the Wi-Fi, especially on gaming, because the DICT, I think they blocked the ML games. The ML can't load, or Mobile Legend, it can't load if you open the ML. Though when you watch videos on YouTube or when you surf on internet, like watching, just like that, posting, the Mbps is very high. It takes 10 gigabyte. Yeah, I mean 10 gigabyte, 10 Mbps, something like those, 20 Mbps, something like those. But when they open the ML, it will not be opened. They have blocked some online games also, because the main purpose of that free Wi-Fi is, I think, for education also, for students who have no internet, or who have a hard time having an internet. Because here in our barangay, I think in our area, home area, is the signal is very weak. So of course expect that the internet is very, very weak also. That's why thanks to the government that they decided to put it there, free Wi-Fi. So I didn't notice it's already 7 minutes. So guys, I think I'll just record this video up until when I go to the rice field and record the tool that I'm saying a while ago. And next coming up videos that I'll record will be shorter than this, part 1. This would be part 1, and please watch the other part, these videos of my video. So I'll update you guys on the rice field that we have just tilled. This is the rice field that we have just tilled last week. If you watch the video, this is the rice field. This, you can see this muddy water, or not clear water. This, as you can see, this in that area, and in that green area that was not tilled is clear water, and in this area it's not clear, or it's muddy. But because this is in preparation of rice seedlings or rice puddings, my mother just prepared this area, this, for rice seedlings. But I don't know if I think my mother will focus on that area first, on the first that I just tilt manually in this area. My mother will plant the seedling there today. She was just at home She's having a breakfast, then after her breakfast then she will come and plant the seedling there, that area. She will plant the seedling in that area. And I think next week she will plant also the seedling here, as well as in that area where I am going to tilt. She will plant a rice seedling there. So guys, this is what I'm telling you, the tool. This is it. This is where I step like this. 2 feet also, of course 2 feet this, and yeah, the carabao will pull me. I'll show you later on if you did not watch the video, my video here, because I record a video here. I explained how to use this, and I have some videos on tilting this area. So guys, I end part 1 here, and please watch other parts like part 2. So thank you.